Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to delete all emails at once on Hotmail. So let's get started. At first, let's get into Outlook app. So here it is. Now we are in Inbox. To get into it, simply click over here and Inbox. And here we can see all of the mails we have received. Now, if you press on one of these, we can see one selected written over here. Now click on these three dots in the top right corner and we can see this option called select all. Now all of the mails will be selected. Now simply click on this delete icon over here and it's done. To undo, simply undo this, or if you actually want to delete, simply press on this, click on this three dots, select all and delete icon, and it's done. So this is all we can do to delete all mails at once on Hotmail. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.